Let me show you how I made this a mini reading log spiral notebook. We're going to go ahead and start with printing. I am using a Canon Megatank G3 270. This is where I print my sticker paper right here. And then, so once we have that, I also, this is how it came. I'm going to make two notebooks with this one sticker sheet. So here's for one, and then here's for the other one. We're going to go ahead and start with this one. And so I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half. We're going to cut this sheet in half. It's a regular letter size sheet. So it's going to be the height, it's going to be 5.5. So we're going to cut it at 5.5. So we are going to make two notebooks from one sheet. Then we're going to go ahead and cut it in half at 4.25. Right here, 4.25. We're going to in the center. And then we have our front and back cover. The same with this one, front and back cover. We're going to go ahead and do this one first. And this is our chipboard. And we're going to go ahead and take off a little bit right here of the backing so we could align our chipboard here. And then the extra, we're just going to go ahead and smooth it out right here. And then our edges, we're going to fold them inside. Fold our edges inside and then smooth it out with our squeegee right here and smooth it out. Then we're going to go ahead and do our back cover. The same thing and smooth it out. Fold our edges. And we're going to go ahead and add this white sticker backing in the back just so our vinyl sticker does not peel off. So now we're going to do our sheets. So with our printed sheets, what I do is I print 4 in 1. 4 in 1 fit in one letter size sheet. The size of our notebook is going to be 3 by 5.5. So I'm going to first go ahead and cut it here at the 5.5 right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut it at the 4.25. Once I have that, I line it up at the 3-inch. I line it up at the 3-inch. So we're going to have a 3-inch by 5.5. So once again, line it up right here at 4.25. Then line it up at 3. And you're going to have a 3 and a 5.5. And there it is, our 3 and 5.5. This is our mini reading log notebook. Now we're going to go ahead and make our holes on the top. We're going to use a spiral binding. We're going to put everything together. Make sure it's all the same size. And these are mini, so you guys could carry them anywhere. They do not take much space. Put them in your pocket when you go reading. That's a perfect size. So now we're going to go ahead and use our binding machine. And we're going to go ahead and punch our holes right here. So we're going to do this with all our sheets. All the machines are different. Mine does not take a lot of sheets. So that's why I'm taking a little bit longer punching them, because I'm only putting a few at a time. If you could see, I'm just putting a few at a time. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the covers after I am done with this. These are mini reading log. If you are a reader, if you are a book reader, this is good for you. It's mini, it's minimal. You don't have to do much. It's just each book, and you record the title, the author, the start date, the end date, genre, the rating, if it was a book, a Kindle, audiobook, and then your thoughts on the book. So now we're doing the covers. Here are our covers. And then now we're going to go ahead and assemble it with our spiral binding. This is what I'm going to be using. I have two sizes, but I'm going to be using this one. So this is how I make my notebook. In my next video, I'll show you my other notebook that I did, that I printed out with this same one. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys on our next video. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and leave it a like. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you have a question. And also don't forget to follow or subscribe if you want to see more of these kind of videos. Thank you guys for watching.